Hey guys, welcome back to the Table Boy. So in this video we are going to learn some cool variations on this beat which you have already learned earlier. So if you have not watched this video earlier, you can watch this video and then later join in this video. So now without wasting any time, let's begin. So first I'll play 5 variations to this beat, and then one by one I'll break this beat in easy steps so that you all can learn along. So variation number 1. Variation number 2. Variation number 3. Variation number 4. And variation number 5. So before learning the variations, just a recap of the beat which you have already learned. 1 2 1 1 2. So 1 2 1 1 2 1 2 1 1 2 1 2 1 1 2 1 2 1 1 2. So now we'll learn the first variation. This is the original beat. Now the only difference is that it has 1 1 2 1 1 2. So one one two one one two, like this. 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 2. One two one one two. As the variations will progress, the difficulty level will also increase. But with practice, you will easily be able to play that beat. So keep practicing. So in this variation, you have to only skip the first number, like this. Like first play this 1 2 1 1 2 2 1 1 2 1 2 1 1 2 2 1 1 2 1 2 1 1 2 2 1 1 2. for learning this beat, you need to know 3 strokes. That is 1, 2 and 3. So first I'll play this beat. One, two, one, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. Like 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. So slowly 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. So in this video we have learned 3 variations to this beat, and the next 2 variations, which are slightly difficult than these 3, I'm going to teach it in the next video. So you all can watch this video once more to learn the 3 beats, and comment below once you are able to learn the 3 beats. Making this video like 3 tutorials in one video took a lot of time, but I hope you all will like this video.
And do subscribe, like and share it with your friends who would like to learn such table beats.
Thanks a lot. For learning this variation, you have 3 strokes.